once in a while I do purchase a power bank myself. In this case, I decided to get the solar power bank with a 26,800 milliamperes. Let's have a look at the specs here very quick. So you have 3 USB ports to charge all your devices simultaneously. It's IP66 water resistant, built-in flashlight with SOS mode, recharge via micro or USB Type-C or solar, universal charging power, easy to carry with hanging rope. Nice! I got it for a special price of around 35 euro. Usually it's around 40 to 45 euro. The link is listed in the video description below. So let's have a look what's inside. So here are the most important specs mentioned in the user manual. The power bank itself weighs 545 grams. The size 176 times 95 times 29 millimeters. Full charging time 13 to 26 hours. Depends on the adapter power. So I guess if you trying to fully charge this power bank using the solar power, so the sun, it probably takes around 26 hours. And if you have a fast charging wall brick, it probably charges within 30 hours. So that's the content of this package. A micro USB cable, this hanging rope, which I wouldn't recommend because I guess your power bank will fall off soon or later with its 550 grams. So don't think about that one. And the build quality itself is pretty amazing, I would guess. Feels really robust, as you can see all the screws here at the back side. It makes a really solid impression. All the ports are covered to protect it from water. And here on top is the solar panel. At the side, a USB Type-A port, USB Type-A, USB Type-C, and the micro USB port. So I'm using now the wall brick of my iPad Pro with a USB-C cable. And then as you can see, you have some LEDs which are lighting up, and that's the charging process. So probably now takes around about 13 hours or maybe less with that 18-watt wall brick. Let's have a look at the power button here at the top. So if you tap on it for about 3 seconds, the LED will go on. If you tap on it once again, you will dim it. Tap on it another time, then you go into SOS mode. And if you tap on it another time, you go into strobe mode. So if there's someone who's making you mad in a dark forest, make sure to hunt him away. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, you do have 3 USB ports, one USB-A, another USB-A, USB-C, and a micro USB for charging this power bank. So you can charge your GoPro, for instance, your iPhone, your iPad, your Samsung Tab, or any other device out there which can be charged via USB. I guess all of you know how a power bank works. Thanks for your attention. If you have any further questions, please make sure to leave a comment below. Bye bye.